Hi everyone, it's Diana at Catherine Diana Studios, and I thought I'd share with you today a DIY Dollar Tree banner that I made for outside. It's a little noisy in the background. There's a mail truck driving by. There's a couple of vehicles going by on the street near us. It's Saturday morning, so it seems to be awfully busy. But anyway, so please ignore that. Here we go, and it just goes down like this. There's a column here on the house, and it's kind of boring. So I put this together with each of these ornaments and such were from Dollar Tree, and the ribbon was from Dollar Tree as well. And normally I would attach here, right there, with some E6000 and hot glue, but I couldn't find my E6000 and I didn't want to run to the store, so I just used a lot of hot glue, and actually you can kind of see it around that edge. I'll show you. Can you kind of see where it's kind of looking a little messy? But I thought, it's outdoor and it's away from the street, so unless people walk to the door, and no one comes to the door except for the mailman, UPS, and FedEx, no one's really going to notice anyway. So, but normally if you use E6000 behind here with a little hot glue, it should hold. Now I live in Idaho and it is cold here, so you can end up with a lot of hot glue items breaking off. So I wanted it to last, so I just really poured on a bunch of it. So anyway, so there we go. But it's super easy, and it's a nice little banner, and I put in it what, 1, 2, 3, 4, $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I use 1.5 spools of ribbon, so that's $6.50, not including my glue stick, and I already own the glue gun. So it turned out really cute. I don't know if I can pan back here, and walking backwards is kind of a little dangerous here at my house because there's a big tree behind me and I might hit it. Let's see if we can get all of it. So there we go. So anyway, it's super easy and you can do it, and any of their foam ornaments, no matter what the colors, come up with your own design that you like, and they're inexpensive ribbon, and you've got yourself a really cute little idea to fill some space for not a lot of money. So anyway, happy holidays everyone. Hope you are safe and healthy and happy and taking good care of yourselves. Take care, and we'll talk soon. Bye-bye.